Hello friends, how are you all? And yes, today we want to discuss with you all regarding the international business. But yes, the most important part in this business is how you can create your presence and how you can build the credibility. लेकिन ये ना कि सबको एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता है, how to generate the leads. So yes, today let's welcome in this session and we will discuss a lot more about the presence, credibility, lead generation, and yes, how to find buyers and all other things regarding the export and import. So yes, आपको दिख रहा होगा यहाँ पे लिंक्डइन का पेज मैंने ओपन किया है. सो हाउ टू यूज लिंक्डइन इन द इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस एंड इन द एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बिजनेस. सो बहुत बार हम कहते हैं ना कि लाइक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग या डिजिटल मीडिया को इग्नोर किया जाता है, क्योंकि पता तो सब है कि उसका मतलब इंपॉर्टेंस कितना है, उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस के लिए या फिर बिजनेस के लिए भी. लेकिन है ना कि हम यूज टू नहीं है शायद इस चीजों को यूज करने के लिए, या फिर हम मतलब जानते भी नहीं, या फिर जानते हो तो भी आप उसको मानते नहीं हो. लेकिन अगर आज मैं आपको कहूंगी कि यस, लिंक्डइन को यूज करके मैंने तो बहुत सारे लीड्स लिए थे, या फिर यस पीपल आर अप्रोचिंग टू मी फॉर द my service business also, for service export also, training and consultancy also, and yes for the kaushal food products, matlab for my export import business also. So that is one of the effective tool for your business journey that you can use it, and yes you can grow your business. So let's start the like learning about the LinkedIn. मैं कहूंगी एक तो पहले ये समझ के चलो कि आपको सोशल मीडिया पे आना पड़ेगा, मतलब इन शॉर्ट आपको डिजिटली आना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपका बिजनेस ग्रो हो सकता है. And yes, we are talking about the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the professional platform and you should use LinkedIn for your business, whether it is domestic or whether it is international. But yes, it is like very effectively used अगर आप सच में उसको skillfully use कर सकते हो तो. So यहाँ पे अगर हम देख सकते हैं तो yes, KDSushma is my LinkedIn profile, so you can connect me on the LinkedIn also, and I'm sharing a lot of things in LinkedIn regarding the international business updates and lot many things we are discussing here professionally about the international business. So how you can use LinkedIn for your business? So first of all मैं कहूंगी कि आपकी प्रोफाइल होनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट आपके नाम की आपकी प्रोफाइल होनी चाहिए, एंड देन आई विल शो यू द बिजनेस के पेज भी कैसे होने चाहिए. लेकिन अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो आपकी प्रोफाइल होनी चाहिए, लेकिन वो प्रोफाइल ऑप्टिमाइज भी होनी चाहिए. सो लिंक्डइन को ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के तौर पे यूज करोगे तो वो ज्यादा ग्रो हो सकती है और ज्यादा एल्गोरिदम को भी वर्क कर सकती है. सो इसके लिए जैसे अगर हम यहाँ पे देख रहे, दिस कवर पेज ऑफ माई प्रोफाइल, so you should have the cover page of your profile also. Okay, photo should be like that, the front face should be वो visible होना चाहिए. नहीं तो हम साइड का फोटो रखते हैं या फिर ऐसे मतलब आदर रखते हैं कि वो विजिबिलिटी नहीं दिखती कि हम इंसान अगर है तो कौन है इंसान, राइट. तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग. सेकंड इज आपका नेम, देन आप क्या हो, मतलब व्हाट इज योर एक्सपर्टाइज एंड व्हाट इज योर स्पेशलिटी इन द बिजनेस. So like I have mentioned here, I'm exim coach, I'm business coach, exporter, importer, growth hacker, speaker and author also. Okay, what are the topics I talk about? So what is your specialty of the business your business is talking about? So yes, you can mention in the hashtag also, right. Then we can see here या फीचर्ड सेक्शन में भी आप अपने प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज को डाल सकते हो, ताकि जो भी कोई आपके प्रोफाइल को विजिट करे तो वो डायरेक्टली जाके आपके प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज को चेक कर सकता है. सो राइट नाउ आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर हाउ टू फाइंड बायर. यस, आई हैव डेवलप्ड द कोर्स ऑन हाउ टू फाइंड बायर, how to start export import business, exim book. If you want to purchase my book, you can go directly here and you can order that book. My website is here, so you can visit to kdsushma.com also. How to raise funds, so I have developed the course on that, so I have mentioned here also. So likewise you can mention your products and services on this like featured section, and yes, people can search about that, people can visit about that. Yeah, activities, you can check my activities here. Yes, I'm regularly active on the LinkedIn, so I will suggest you, recommend you and advise you also. If and when you will be active on the LinkedIn, then and then only the media will be work for you, then and then only it will be work for your business growth. So don't like forget about that. It is not about the guys I have profile on the LinkedIn. I will ask you the question, are you active on the LinkedIn? So comment in the comment box. The first question, are you on the LinkedIn? Okay, yes or no. And the second question is, are you active on the LinkedIn? Okay, so yes, you can follow me on the LinkedIn and you can like know a lot more about the international business. Then the next is about section. You can add in the about section about your company, services, about you and all other things. Experience, I have mentioned many of experience, what I am doing at right now. So I'm a founder and director of Kaushal Food Stuff LLC Dubai. Yes, I'm founder director of GF Mission India Private Limited. I'm running this company from last 5 years. Yes, I'm business coach also, visiting faculty for allotment institutes, central and state governments. Yes, I'm a book author also. I have written my 2 books and published that. So you can check my book here also. So what I want to show you, it is not about I'm telling myself. I'm just telling you like you can build your presence and credibility on the LinkedIn. If like I have shown my book here, so I have given the link also, so people can check about my product and like book also. So this is for you also, that you can go through that. If you are like selling any product, so you can just give the link there, so people can easily check that. So for example, if you can see here, Kaushal Food Products is one of my company. So I have given the link of website and on my profile also, like company profile also. So this way also you can do that. So I have shared my experiences also, like in Kirloskar I have worked, in the Cummins also I have worked. Yes, I have worked in the Innovative Manshu and like a lot other things also. So this is my experience. So in the experience section, you will like you introduce yourself, your company, what you are doing currently, and what you've done in the past also. So in that way, people can recognize you, people can identify you. Yes, education, I have mentioned my education here. License and certifications, you should mention that also. Skills, like what are my skills? And yes, people have endorsed that skills also. So international trade, 21 endorsements are there. Customer service, account receivables, and show all 26 skills here. Yes, recommendations, do ask for the recommendation from the people you have worked with them or your customers. Like we are collecting the feedback. So same way you can ask for the recommendations also, and this way you can like build your presence and credibility that people are recommending you. It means you are viable, you are like in that way you have proven your services and products. And yes, that will be helpful to know about the like customer को पता चलने के लिए या supplier को पता चलने के लिए आप कितने viable हो या फिर कितने feasible हो. So these are like honors and awards. I have received so many awards also. Language, yes, I know Hindi, Marathi, English, and French also. So this is my profile in the LinkedIn. And in the short way, I've explained you how your profile should be on the LinkedIn. So friends, yes, I will suggest you that be on the LinkedIn, but not be on the LinkedIn. But yes, you should active on the LinkedIn. And once you will active on the LinkedIn, yes, definitely the business growth will be happen, because yes, many people know about you. Many people might be show the interest in your product and services, and definitely you can generate the leads. So yes, I have generated the business through LinkedIn, and yes, I have like seen that, I've experienced that the LinkedIn is the most efficient and useful platform for the business, whether it is service, whether it is product, whether it is training, or whether it is any industry. And yes, international business, I have like seen the usefulness of the LinkedIn. So I hope you understand all about things about the LinkedIn. So suggest you, recommend you, please share your profile also on the YouTube comments. So yes, we can follow each other. People can follow to you also on the LinkedIn. And yes, let's in that way grow the network, grow the business. So yes, be active on the business, take action, export is possible. Follow me on KDSushma on all every social media platform. Subscribe to this channel, share it and like it to the needy people. Spread this world. Yes, export is possible. Let's connect together. Let's help each other. Join to global fortune, mission to growth. Because yes, I'm on a mission to create 10,000 plus exporters by 2025. See you there in the next session. Yes, tab tak ke liye, take action, start your journey. Jai Hind.